All right, so I talked about meal prep earlier this week, and I kind of wanted to show you the finished product. So basically, this is both my wife and I's lunches and dinners. Well, all right, so I talked earlier this week about food prep. I kind of want to explain what's going on here. So basically, these over here are my wife's lunches and dinners. Those are prepped. These on the right side are all of my dinners. And then my lunches I make each day. I work nights, so I'm home during the day. So I cook my lunches as I go. I don't prep my lunches. The reason for that is because I do whole wheat pasta and chicken for my lunches. And so pasta doesn't really taste that great when you pre-cook it and eat it days later. So I make my pasta fresh each day. So my lunches consist of whole wheat pasta and chicken. That's my basis for lunch each day. So with the exception of my lunches, this is all of our lunches and dinners for the entire week, my wife and I. Now, this is not what our kids eat. Our kids, we do prep their food, but they eat slightly differently just because of kids are a little bit picky. So they love tacos. So we do ground turkey with whole wheat taco shells. They have some salad with it as well. They also have other nights just chicken and sweet potatoes and a veggie. So, but this kind of gives you a basis of kind of what our normal week looks like. Now, for breakfasts, we do things differently. My wife does something totally different than what I do for breakfast. And this is not including snacks and smoothies. That's kind of a whole nother element to it. But this, I hope, gives you a good idea of kind of what our weekly prep looks like. Now, I will say we do prep our breakfasts. We measure it out. We have it all ready to go so we can just throw it in the pot and cook it and we're good to go. So I'll do another video in the future on that. But I hope this helps just kind of give you an idea of what food prep looks like, how easy it can be. I literally have spent just over 2 hours doing all this. So again, you know, I said in this week's previous video how much time this saves. In less than 3 hours, this is all done. And you don't have to think about it. That's the biggest thing, because how many times have you had to work late or something is going on with the kids and before you know it, it's dinner time and you have nothing prepared? Like, that happens, life happens, crap happens. And so by doing this, you're making sure that you're set up for success without having to think about it. It's all there, it's in the fridge. We throw these in the oven or the microwave and we're done. We don't have to think about it. So we can just like charge through our week without having to worry about our food. So I encourage you, if you don't food prep, to start doing it because it's so helpful. All right, I do suggest you head on over to bones2bulk.com. Right there on the homepage, you can't miss it. Sign up for our free mini course. I put a lot of time into it. There's so much valuable information in that course that will build a solid foundation for you. So again, just head on over to bones2bulk.com, put in your email, and you'll get that delivered right to your inbox. It's easy peasy. It couldn't be any easier. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, please subscribe below. That way you don't miss any future videos.